So hi people, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm looking at 4 critical C's that a project manager should have. But before we go into that, I would like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and to learn more about this knowledge in practical M1E and project management. So before we go into the 4 critical C's, we're going to look at the key things a good project manager should have or be doing, which will summarize our 4 critical C's that a project manager should have. One is professional development. A good project manager should be able to continuously develop in their profession. If you need to add on a certification, if you need to do your masters, they're continuously professionally developing to see that they're improving their skills, they're gaining more skill set, more knowledge in the project management or middle management fields. Then cautious and aware. You should be very cautious and aware of your team and team members, because you work with a team of people, recognizing when they need support in the field, maybe to achieve a certain objective of a project. You need to give them support. So that is being very cautious and aware of your team, and that any challenges they're going through, whether any strength, you need to recognize and appreciate. A good project manager is very cautious and aware. Mentors/mentees. Looking at mentors, here as a project manager should have to have mentors in your fields. People who are up there, people who you look up to, people who can mentor you into growing to someone better still, to grow to grow. So you have to have those people that help you to continuously grow in your field. Also, being a mentee, that whenever you find that you're also mentoring someone, you're actually learning from them. So it's very good to be a mentee, that when you share knowledge, you also learn from someone. Then relationships. Good project manager should be able to build relationships with their stakeholders, partners, the people you work with. It's very important to build good relationships with them, because it's the people you work with. And when you have very good relationships, the saying goes, when you're a team, you achieve more as a team than being an individual. Social, online and offline. Should be very social, both online and offline. People being able to communicate and talk to you both online and offline. You should also be able to set healthy boundaries in there. But being this leads us into being available and responsive. That's how when people reach out to, whether online and offline, you're able to respond to their concerns. You're available to reach out to. You're not a very scarce person to reach out to. As a good project manager should be that kind of person. Also very collaborative. Collaborative is a very, very key skill we should really have in this new millennial world, and in the world where we're looking at sustainability. That you as a project manager or middle manager, collaboration is very key. That you work with different people. You need to be able to collaborate with the running projects. You find that some projects you may need to collaborate with other organizations. So collaboration is very key, that you collaborate and work together with different people, which combines those building those relationships. That maybe if you're working on a certain project and you need to work with the government agencies and departments, that is all collaboration. So it's a key skill you should be having. You should be able to have and learn to have that, to collaborate with others in achieving objectives. Then being decisive. A good project manager, very decisive, very quick, and making good decisions. As a good project manager should be very decisive and very articulate in making decisions, because in most cases the decisions depend on you. So you should be very good in making good decisions, but also in a short time. Then this leads to resolute. Resolute is making decisions and being also able to see them through, achieving them. Like if you made the decision that you're going to take on this project, and within this time frame of like 6 months, you should be able to finish this project. If it's maybe an engineering project or any project you've taken on, you should be resolute to see that this project has been started and from end to finish, you've finished it, or any decision here you've taken. And communication. Communication is a very key skill also. You should be able to communicate effectively, deliver information you want others to know from you, and also the information you need them to know from you. You need them from them. Yeah, having a good communication plan in place, communicating to the stakeholders or your partners or your teams, either through emails or phone calls or any means of communication you set out to in your communication plan. Then delegate. A good project manager should be able to delegate. Sometimes you can't do all the work, so you as a good project manager should be able to delegate and know whom, what, and when to delegate and who to delegate. Yeah. And this leads us to our last point: is leading teams or managing people. People like being led, they don't like being managed. You manage projects, but you don't manage people. You lead teams. So they like to see that leader who leads them, who shows them the direction, that this is what you're going to do, this is what you're going to take, and this is how you're going to achieve it as a team, rather than managing them. We manage projects, not manage people. So all this is summarized in 4 critical skills that we should be having. Yeah, that is communication. I talked about it. Collaboration, creativity. In this fast-paced world, you need to be very, very creative in your work, in everything that you do. It's a word for the creative. It's a new word for those that are very creative, very intelligent in everything they do. You need to be very, very creative. And then critical thinking skills in the decisions you make, in how you lead your teams, in how you communicate, in how you manage your projects. You need to have this very critical. You need to be a very critical thinker in how you make decisions. Yeah, you need to be a very critical thinker in how you share your work, in how you present yourself. Yeah, and creativity. So to summarize all this, is the 4 C's, inclusive the skills I talked about above, that you as a project manager or a middle manager should have, combining all those things: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Thank you very much. I'll be looking forward to have you in another video to share more. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for the support so far. Thank you very much.